So full time here is 9-0 against Aber. Cobbs, thoroughly professional performance against a potential banana skin. You must be delighted.
Absolutely, it was a nervy little start from us, I think. They had a good chance at the beginning of the game. But yeah, I think we approached it right, we did the right things, and we got the result that we needed.
As you said there, they started the game really well, but then how much did that first goal settle the nerves, especially after 3 games without scoring?
Of course, it's been a tough week for us. Obviously not scoring a goal in 3 games, and like you say, getting that first goal, it settled our nerves. The atmosphere here was electric, to be fair to them. So it quietened them down a little bit as well. And then obviously, I think the fitness then as well from the boys, took over as well. So no, it was very pleasing.
Who scored the better goal, Matty Jones or Owen Jones' first one?
We'll go for Owen Jones this time because Matty's had one before. So no, great finishes all round. Some really good moves. But it's nice to see 2 boys getting hat tricks today, and the boys getting on the score sheet as well.
A second half there, thoroughly professional performance. Everyone got in on the act and a clean sheet as well, so that's the first of the season.
100%. It's always nice to keep a clean sheet. Obviously, Brad has come in for the first game today, once coming off loan from TNS, so it's nice to have a clean sheet. And I thought him and Rhys Davis were outstanding today, so thoroughly deserved.
And looking ahead now, we've got that live game next week on Scorio. Cardiff Met, difficult opposition, but a game we can look at winning.
We look at every game that we can win. We've competed with Connors Key, with Flint, with Bala. We've gone toe to toe with all of them. So it's a game that we're looking to win, and we'll prep right now Tuesday. They'll have the recovery now, and then we'll be in Tuesday to work. We'll work things that we're going forward for Saturday.
Cobbs, many congratulations. Thanks for your time.
Thank you very much. Cheers.